All right, example 1, we don't have the steps written out for us, but step 1 was to label the table. So again, this is X, this is Y, and the expression goes in the middle. Negative 2x plus 4. Step 2, choose your 3 X values. We're all going to choose 0, 1, and 2 today. Now plug in those X values. So negative 2, instead of X, I put parentheses, and I'm filling in a 0 right here. So this is 0 plus 4, and I put the answer here. So in the exit ticket, I'm going to ask you, when X is 0, what is Y? Well, when X is 0, Y is 4. That's our first ordered pair. Okay? Now we're going to plug in a 1. So negative 2, parentheses. Instead of X, this time we're plugging in a positive 1. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. And then plus 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So when X is 1, what is Y? It's 2. That's our second ordered pair for the graph. And our final one, negative 2 parentheses plus 4, plugging in a positive 2. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. And then we add 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So when X is 2, what is Y? It's 0. That's our third ordered pair. So let's graph these. 0, 4 is here. 1, 2 is here. And 2, 0 is here. Connect your points. Draw your arrows. This is a negative sloping line, okay? Our slope was negative, so this is a negative sloping line. I just want you to know what that looks like. Now you have 4 practice problems. You're going to try 2, then you'll be able to watch the video to see how you did.